Welcome to this clear and concise tutorial on adjusting the language settings in Amazon Music. In this voiceover, you will learn how to navigate through the service interface and change your preferred language in just a few easy steps. Begin your process by opening your web browser and visiting the Amazon Music website. Type music.amazon.com in your address bar and allow the page to fully load. On arriving at the home screen, you will notice a clean display showcasing various sections of the service. Take a moment to become familiar with the layout, as this will help you easily locate the necessary controls later on. Once you are comfortable with the home page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you will see your profile name or icon, which acts as the portal to your account settings. By clicking on your profile icon, you will open a menu that provides access to several account related options. This step is essential because it brings you closer to locating the feature that allows you to modify your display settings. Within the options that appear, look for the setting that mentions changing the display language. By selecting this option, you will be taken to a new screen that is dedicated to language preferences. This interface displays a list of languages available for selection, each option designed to help tailor the user experience according to your needs. It is important to take a moment here to review all available languages, ensuring that you select the one that is most comfortable and convenient for you. After you have carefully looked through the list, click on the language that best suits your preference. When you have made your selection, confirm your choice by clicking on the OK button. This final action saves your new setting and initiates the process to update the language used throughout the service interface. Be patient, as the change might take a short moment to fully apply. In some cases, you might need to refresh the page or restart the application to see all elements displayed in your chosen language. Throughout this process, it is helpful to remain attentive to each detail on the screen. The steps are designed to be straightforward so that even if you are not particularly tech savvy, you can follow along without difficulty. Taking a deliberate approach by carefully clicking through each option ensures that you complete the language change smoothly and effectively. By following these instructions, you are now able to navigate from the home page of Amazon Music to the account settings menu, then move on to the display language options, and finally select your preferred language. This sequence of actions allows you to tailor the interface to your comfort level, making your overall experience with the service more accessible and enjoyable. This tutorial has been focused solely on guiding you through the language change procedure with clear step-by-step instructions. Enjoy the improved ease of use that comes with having your favorite music service presented in the language that best suits your needs.